Gonna solve CAT 2018 question. So the question is, find the last two digit of this number 7 to the power 2008. Now on the surface you'll think this is a very hard question. If you have never seen a question like this, you'll have to think that we will have to somehow compute the whole number or something. But actually, if you start observing very simple patterns, for example here, if you start observing that 7 ki power 1 is 07, 7 ki power 2 is 49, 7 ki power cube is 343. Now we only are concerned with the last two digit, so we can practically cut this. 7 ki power 4 is 7, 280 plus 21, 301. So we can cut this. 7 ki power 5. Why we are cutting this? Because any other further multiplication, the last two digit are only affected by these two digit. So we don't need, we don't care what this digit is. 7 ki power 5 is again 07. 7 ki power 6 is 49. So as you can see, the cycle practically repeats after 7 ki power 4. So 7 to the power 2008 is practically 7 times 7 times 7 times up till 7, and these are 2008 numbers. So we have to see at what cycle did the last 7 come at. So if we divide 2008 by 4, we can see the remainder is 0. That means the last cycle ends at this position, at 7 ki power 4 ka some multiple. So the last two digits of this question is 01. Now I'd like to further expand on this. What about 7 ki power 2009? So in this case, you can see the cycle ends at, so you can see, at 2008, this is equivalent to 7 ki power 2008 times 7. So ki at 2008 the cycle ended at 01 position. So there can be any number here, how a large number may be, and when you will multiply it by 7, the last two digit will be 07. So in this case the answer will be 07. Now question could also be 35 ki power 2008. How would you ever solve this? So this is again nothing but 7 ki power 5 to the power 2008. So this is 7 ki power 2008 times 5 ki power 2008. Now ki last two digit of this is 01. What about 5 ki power 2008? Now if you start noticing some pattern, 5 ki power 1 is 5, 5 ki power 2 is 25, 5 cube 125. Again, we don't need this to compute further. 5 ki power 4 is again 25, the last two digit, and so on. So you can see of any part greater than 1 or 5 results in 25 as the last two digit. So the last two digit of this number will be 25. Now there can be a significant amount of number here and significant amount of number here. Now you can see 01 and 25 if you multiply these two, so 25. So the last two digit of this number is 25. So you can see CAT is an examination of common sense, not by the way, some people will try to solve it with binomial theorem. That is also possible, but if you can notice simple patterns, this question is nothing but a second grade question. So thank you.